One of the most fascinating things we notice when we look at a shrimp is that if you look at it raw, you will find its color is a dull gray or translucent. It has absolutely no distinct colorful features, as if it just stepped out of a black and white movie. But suddenly, the moment it touches the fire or is placed in the pot, its color flips in seconds without any introduction. The gray completely disappears, and it turns into a brilliant, stunning, bright orange. So, what exactly is inside the shrimp's body that makes its color flip so rapidly? Where does this color originally come from? Why specifically orange and not any other color? And is the shrimp the only creature that experiences this, or are there other marine creatures that go through the exact same thing? The shrimp is a simple creature that lives in various environments, from shallow waters all the way to the ocean depths. All the time, it is surrounded by predators from every direction, especially since many marine creatures specifically love to eat shrimp, from small fish like grouper and sea bass, passing through mackerel and swordfish, and all the way to whales. To put it simply, the sea for a shrimp is a minefield, and everyone wants to hunt it. The poor thing has nothing to defend itself with. It has no sharp teeth, nor does it have powerful fins to help it escape. It is completely defenseless. Because of this, in order to protect itself, survive, and hide from these predators that want to eat it, it relies on a vital means of defense: camouflage. The gray or translucent color we see in raw shrimp is its actual, natural color that allows it to blend in with the sea sand and the surrounding water, making it difficult for fish to see it easily. The chemical structure of its shell is what helps it achieve this mission. The hard outer shell on the shrimp's body consists of a substance called chitin. It is a strong material that gives the shrimp its rigidity to protect its soft inner body and shield it at the same time from the high water pressure. Yet, it is flexible enough to allow it to contract and expand, enabling it to swim, snap backward, and move through the water. But still, where is the orange color in all of this? What exactly happens when we cook it or put it over the fire? The orange color we see in shrimp when it is cooked is not the result of an oxidation process, for example, or a chemical transformation that alters its color. The astonishing thing is that the shrimp already has this pigment naturally present inside its body, an orange pigment called astaxanthin. This pigment remains locked away or hidden underneath the shell as long as the shrimp is alive, as if it is securely locked up with a padlock. But the moment the shrimp is exposed to heat, this lock breaks, and the pigment is liberated and appears on the outer shell. What does this mean, and why does this pigment even exist in its body? Astaxanthin is a type of carotenoid, which is considered part of the same family of pigments that gives carrots their orange color. The shrimp does not manufacture this pigment on its own, rather, it obtains it from its food, such as the tiny algae and marine plankton it consumes. The pigment itself is absolutely essential for the shrimp to survive because it is one of the most powerful antioxidants in the world. It works as a protective shield that guards the shrimp's cells and its delicate tissues from damage, especially since the water around it is full of toxins and pollutants. It also protects the shrimp that live in shallow waters reached by direct sunlight, acting just like sunscreen to protect its internal organs from the effects of ultraviolet radiation. This is in addition to boosting its immune system,